In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can change the legend name in Microsoft Excel graph. Let's start. Here you can see this is our monthly sale graph, and we are going to change the legend name sales from like monthly sales. Okay, fine. We can change it in different way. First of all, we are going to, though it is a dynamic graph, if we change the sales to monthly sale, that will change the legend. Like if you write monthly sales, then you can see this has been changed to monthly sales. This is one of the way you can change a legend, and there is another way. Let's make it to sales. Now you can see sales. Okay, fine. Now if you want to change this in another way, then you should select this, go there and chart design. Here there is a tab chart design. Here there is an option which is select data. Click there. Now we are going to work with sales, so we are selecting this. Now click edit. Here you can see the series name. We are going to name it as monthly sale. Click OK. Then OK. Look, it has been changed to monthly sale. This is so easy. This is how you can change the legend name in Microsoft Excel graph. Thank you for watching the video.